If you want to ruin your life as fast as possible, you've come to the right place. Here's a quick step-by-step guide for how you can do it quickly. Step 1. Wake up whenever you want. Don't wake up at a reasonable time. Avoid establishing a regular sleep schedule. Hit that snooze button like there's no tomorrow, and let those precious morning hours slip away. Wake up at a time that leaves little to no room for you to have a productive day. Let everybody else get a head start to the day while you stay in bed scrolling on your phone. Forget the concept of a morning routine. Who needs meditation, exercise, or a healthy breakfast? Start your day off on the wrong foot and set yourself up for a day of procrastination. Step 2. Leave your space a mess. Don't make your bed, and don't clean up your space. Surround yourself with piles of paperwork, dirty dishes, and random objects, and embrace the chaos. What's the point of cleaning if it's just going to get dirty again? That clutter will constantly be competing for your attention, making it harder to focus and increasing your stress. You want to make it nearly impossible for you to focus and get things done. Step 3. Procrastinate. Ignore deadlines, avoid responsibilities, and just tell yourself you'll do it later. Why waste time doing it now when Netflix is calling your name? Let the stress and anxiety pile up and leave the problems of today for future you to deal with. Step 4. Wait for opportunities to come to you. Sit back, relax, and just assume good things will magically appear. Don't network, don't learn new skills, and definitely don't take any risks. Things are always going to work out for you if you just wait. Don't take action. Someone will come to save you eventually. This passive mindset will rob you of control of your own life and limit your potential. Step 5. Become a no person. Turn down social invitations. Decline any opportunity to take leadership. Focus on yourself and your problems. The key here is to be a master of saying no, and eventually, people will stop asking you anything. Isolation is key. Step 6. Resist self-improvement. Avoid learning, refuse to acknowledge your weaknesses, and just double down on bad habits. Never try to overcome obstacles or better yourself. At the end of the day, people can't change, so what's the point in trying? Step 7. Don't take accountability. Don't blame yourself. Understand that you're a victim and everything bad that happens is someone else's fault. You're doing everything right. You were just dealt a crappy hand. Racism, sexism, and the economy are holding you back, and there's nothing you can do about it. Constantly complain about your circumstances and focus on the things you can control. After all, being a victim is so much easier than being accountable. Step 8. Live in your comfort zone. Do the bare minimum. Stick to what you know and avoid any discomfort. Stay in your lane. If it's not easy, don't do it. Don't bother with new experiences. Growth and success happen outside your comfort zone, so this will guarantee stagnation. The path to self-destruction is paved with seemingly small choices, so follow these 8 steps, and I can guarantee misery for the rest of your life. Thanks for watching.